guys, welcome back to my channel. And for those who don't know me, I am Sharon Ravenberg, and today I'm back with another video. And this video is a mini haul video. I ordered some makeup and also received my Boxy charm, so I will be unboxing my Boxy charm and showing you what makeup I got. And without me rambling too much, we will get right into the video. I got some ColourPop goodies and I will be showing you what I got. They are new to me, not new on the market. That means one of them is new on the market, kind of new, because ColourPop keeps releasing makeup like crazy. You can't keep up with it. So I will be showing you what I got. And yeah, I won't be doing a try on because, as you can see, I already had my makeup on. I already did a video, so I don't know which video is coming up first, but just so you know, that's why I'm wearing makeup today, because normally when I'm doing hauls or unboxing videos, I just come barefaced with a gloss on or something like that and I do my video. So yeah, that's why. I first got the ColourPop No Filter foundation, and that looks like this. The packaging is just simple. And I got the shade Dark 175. It's a lock. It has a lock, so it has no it doesn't have a cap. So yeah, that's what I got. I am going to try these on. I think it's my shade though. Yeah, it is my shade. I hope it's my shade. Anyway, this is what I got. I also got the ColourPop No Filter concealer in dark for 6, and this is what it looks like. This is the packaging. This is what it's looking like. So yeah, that's that. I also got a bronzer. We as dark skinned women also bronze our skin, but we just have to find the correct bronzer, and I thought of trying this one. It comes in a pan, just in a pan, but you have to buy the compact separately, so that's what I did. This is the compact. This is how the compact looks, so I have to put it in there myself. But coming to this again, it is the shade Bits and Bite. Let's open it up. It will be a beautiful bronzer. Then I also got the Shayla X ColourPop lip combo. This is the packaging. And then we have inside, and the liner is in the the liner is in the shade BFF4. This is how it looks, and this is the Ultra Satin lip color, and this is the shade Slow Down. So I got these two as well. That was it for ColourPop, and now I'm going to an e.l.f. product. Guys, I wanted this product for so long, but it kept getting out of stock. So when I received my newsletter or my notification that it was back in stock, I hurried to order it. None other than e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Guys, everyone is talking about this product because it's a dupe of the Tatcha Silk canvas primer. And guys, I don't have the Tatcha money. It's $50, and seriously, I won't be paying $50 for a primer unless it's being sent to me. I will use it. I have a lot of products for you guys to try out. I also got a BH Cosmetic brush set, guys, and it's so beautiful. Look how cute this is. Look how cute this is, guys. It's so cute, and it also says BH Cosmetics. These are the brushes. So yeah, this is the brush set, and I really like love how it comes in a little pouch. So in our Boxy charm, this is the July box, and the theme of this box is un naturel. It's French, guys. Au naturel. Au naturel. Yeah. Ooh, okay. The first product we have is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. So this is what it looks like. Then we have a Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. Oh, sorry. The Elemis mask retails for $35. This is the Butter London palette, guys. This is what a very beautiful palette though. It has 2 matte shades and 4 shimmer shades. I will be doing a video where I'm trying out all my BoxyCharm products. I don't know how I will do it because I have a lot of new makeup to test out. So this will definitely come in a video. This palette retails for $32, guys. We have the Luxie 3-piece brush set. 3 brushes you get from Luxie. These are the 3 brushes. Foundation brush, that's this one. This one is a foundation brush, but I don't use these brushes for my foundation. Maybe I'll use it for my concealer or something else, but not for foundation. So this is this, that's this, and then you have the large eye blending brush, and that's this one. That's how it looks. What it looks like. Yeah. And then I don't know, but yeah, this is a precision crease brush, and that's this. And these 3 brushes retail for $30, guys. Then as 4th item, we have the Alamar Cosmetics That's Nudes lip gloss. It looks cute, and that's this one right here. I will be applying a little bit on my lips. It doesn't really have a smell to it, so yeah. The last product is a peel gel liner. So sorry, the Alamar Cosmetics lip gloss retails for $15. Now we have the Appeal gel liner. You can use it for your eyes or your lips, and this one retails for $21. And it looks like this is the shade. It's cute. That was it for my mini makeup haul. I hope you liked it and you enjoyed it. All the products you have seen in this video I ordered at Flawless Beauty and More. Check her out, guys. Her details will be in my description box, so check her out. She has a lot of beauty stuff, not only makeup but also a lot of fragrances, so you can check her out. She also takes online orders, so if you want to order something online, check her out. And yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed the mini haul. I will be trying on these products in another video. I already did a mini haul on my Instagram, so I also have those products to use. And yeah, I will be using them in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned. I will also have my social media in my description box, my Instagram, my Facebook. I'm not really active on Twitter, so I won't be putting that adding that in the description box. I also have a Snapchat, so you may add me there also. So yeah, that's it, and I hope to see you the next time. Bye bye.